Hi, this is Noura, and today we're going to talk about one of the hidden gems in JVC. I know you have heard me a lot saying that JVC is overcrowded, there's a lot of projects there, but as and when we study the market and as and when we see how JVC as a community has been performing, I don't think how much ever projects come there is going to justify enough. Now, this is Avana Residences by Decca.
A little insight about Decca. Decca has been a channel partner. Their recent project was The Plots, which was in collaboration with the Abu Dhabi government and which performed really well. So now they're coming up with their new project, Avana.
When I say hidden gem, this is not those tall, high-rise buildings. We're talking about low-rise buildings, which is very rare. And this is a very good opportunity for anyone looking into low-rise building. I mean, let's be honest. We have seen all the skyscrapers, we have seen the 30, 60 and 100 floors buildings as well. But there's something unique, which is located right 2 to 3 minutes from Al Khail Road. Because the crowding areas is not as much, because you can easily enter and exit through Al Khail Road. Now, talking about JVC as a location, we all know it's one of the most top performing communities. Even if you're an end user or an investor, JVC has to be one of the top communities. Let's talk about the distance. You're hardly 15 to 20 minutes from downtown. For investors, well, this is an area which has been put out on rent, resale, and it's been working phenomenally well. And for the others who are not sure if they want to invest in a high-rise or a low-rise building, now Avana is low-rise, boutique-style development. It is Decca's first new project by themselves that they're coming up with. So imagine the amount of work they will put into to deliver that first project to hold that impression. Now, JVC as a community, well, it's not a gated community, but it is just like a gated community. I mean, you have everything there, from malls to schools, everything is present right there. And plus, the JSS school is just 2 minutes away from you. Not only that, when we talk about low-rise building, that means you have very limited. You have just exclusive units there. So, you will have higher demand. With the limited supply, your capital appreciation is going to boom there. Now, let's talk about the views. These are low-rise building, but you have villas in front of you. So, you're getting the unobstructed view there. Not only that, the other side view is the park view. Now, what makes this project even more beautiful is their payment plan. They have a 60-40 payment plan. You have 10% on booking, 10% after 30 days. Then you have to pay 11% till your completion. On completion, you're paying another 10% and 1.25% spread across 2 years. Now, let's talk about sizes and prices. For the starting size, it is 373 going all the way up to 496 and the starting price is 740,000. Then your one bedroom with the starting price of 1.1 million. Then you have your two bedrooms with only 10 units. Starting price of 1.6 million dirhams. Now, all these units, the one and the two bed, comes with your own swimming pool. Now, talking about the amenities, well, you have amenities from the rooftop all the way to the podium. Now, on the rooftop, you have the kids' play area, a paddle court, a swimming pool, then you have an open cinema there. So, there are no shortage of any amenities right there. Now, if you're looking for something exclusive, peaceful, with a flexible payment plan and a great start point, then this project is for you. Be it your investor as an end user. Even a community as a whole, it's very family oriented. Now, to summarize, the location is mind-blowing. This is a low-rise building and you're getting a very flexible payment plan spread across 2 years. And the handover is in 2027. So this is your chance to grab a unit in JVC on a prime location before the unit goes. Now, this is your chance to grab out a unit in JVC and secure your right investment. If you want to know more or are interested, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.